Here's how you learn JavaScript in 3 to 4 weeks. Week 1 is for core foundations. Here you look at variables, you go ahead and look at basically the syntax and types in JavaScript. Control flow, of course, understand the logical flow of your programs. Then you just practice these two things, just the basic console programs and some code challenges that you can even find online or even just use AI assistant to generate. Week 2 is for functions in data structures. Here you look at basically all the functions that you can, how to declare functions, arrow functions, scopes and closures, which is actually a common interview question. You look at the collections, like how to work with arrays, objects, then the new ES6 features. So things such as destructuring, rest and spread, template literals. Again, these are common interview questions. Then you just practice with utility libraries and some small algorithms that you can build there. Now on week 3, you'll just look at browser and asynchronicity. And here we're basically talking about understanding the DOM, looking at HTTP and AJAX, async patterns, and then how to debug using some console tools and breakpoints. Basically all these topics, as you can see, the way I have sort of split them here. And lastly, looking at tooling and mini projects. Now, this is what prepares you to start looking at all the other sort of JavaScript frameworks. And here now you look at environments like Node.js and NPM, working with modules, the tool chains like Babel and ESLint, testing with Jest, and then to do projects. So here you do projects, like a number of projects you will literally find online, just beyond what you can see listed here. Then how to basically deploy your projects to GitHub and using basically you can rather hosting on GitHub and then deploying to GitHub pages. Then you also have Netlify and Vercel and many others that you're going to find online. Here's a full view of everything. Just note that you can just learn this in 3 weeks or even less, honestly, depending on your dedication. But just spreading them to 3 to 4 weeks is enough for you to, understand all the foundations and build something cool out of it. So if this is what you want to do, go ahead and get started. Happy coding.